Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make corn burritos. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need fresh or frozen corn, black beans, and a blend of your favorite spices like cumin and chili powder. Don't forget some small corn tortillas, roughly 6 inches across, and a good amount of shredded cheese. A squeeze of fresh lime juice will brighten up the flavors beautifully. Now, let's get that delicious filling ready. In a skillet, sauté your corn and black beans with your chosen spices over medium heat until everything is warmed through and fragrant. Once that's done, remove it from the heat and stir in your shredded cheese. The residual warmth will melt it just enough to bind the ingredients. A tablespoon of fresh cilantro adds a wonderful, bright finish. Time to assemble our burritos. Gently warm your corn tortillas in a dry skillet or microwave for about 15 seconds each. This makes them much more pliable and less likely to crack. Place approximately 2 tablespoons of your corn and bean filling slightly off-center on each tortilla. Fold in the sides, then roll the tortilla tightly from the bottom up to create a neat, secure burrito. To finish, pan-fry your assembled burritos in a lightly oiled skillet over medium heat for about 2 minutes per side, or until they're golden brown and slightly crispy. Serve them immediately with your favorite toppings like fresh salsa, cool sour cream, or creamy guacamole. They are perfect for a quick meal or a fun dinner. For easy meal prep, check the description for a link to leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.